first of all, divide your syllabus into easy, medium, and hard chapters. Then start doing easy chapters first from your NCERT textbook. It will just take 2 to 3 hours. After doing NCERT book, go for MCQ questions. About 100 MCQ questions you need to do from every chapter. You have to do MCQ questions from internet or any reference book. I suggest to use internet because you can get variety of questions on internet, plus 30 assertion and reason based questions, plus 20 case study questions. So in total you will do 150 objective type questions. 100 MCQ questions will take about 1.5 or 2 hours. Assertion and reason based questions will take 1 or 2 hours, and case study questions will take maximum of 1.5 hour. You need to devote only 2 to 3 minutes on every question because right now you need to improve your speed. In total, completing one whole chapter with extra questions will take your 5 to 6 hours. Now for preparation, you have the month of August, September and half October month, because the rest of the October month can be used for revision. So in total you have around 75 to 80 days for from science, maths and your sixth subject, that can be your IT, Sanskrit or any other subject. About 5 to 7 chapters will come in your exam. From social studies, English and Hindi, about 8 to 10 chapters may come in your term 1 exam. In total you have around 40 to 60 chapters of 6 subjects. So you definitely need more than 70 days for your preparation. After combining all these days, you will get about 12 to 13 weeks, that is around 70 to 80 days. The weekly schedule that you need to follow is: on every Monday, study your 6th subject. On Tuesday, science. Wednesday, SST. Thursday, English. Friday, maths. Saturday, Hindi. And on Sundays, you need to revise your work that you have done in that particular week. Like this, till October mid, your full term 1 syllabus will be completed with extra questions. You can use the remaining 15 days for your revision purpose. You still must be having many doubts, so you can post your doubts in the comment section. One question is how to cover backlog, assignments and practical work. So this can be done in this July month only. More than 15 days are left. The next question is which books to refer. So right now you don't really need to buy any particular book. After the revised syllabus is announced, you can buy any book. Right now you can study from internet.